Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ira and today we are doing a vlog. We're actually going to Shaveri market here in Noida. तो recently I relocated from Chennai और मेरा काफ़ी सारा furniture उस relocation में टूट गया था and during this work from home situation and the pandemic everything is just your home. So to have the right furniture is very important. Obviously अगर ज़रूरी ना हो तो we should still avoid going out. बट फॉर अस इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज हमने रिलोकेट ऑलमोस्ट फेब में किया था और अभी काफ़ी महीने हो गए हैं एंड नाउ वी रियली नीड दिस फर्नीचर ऑल्सो आई कुड हैव ईजली ऑर्डर समथिंग ऑनलाइन बट आई प्रिफर दैट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सपोर्ट आवर लोकल वेंडर्स because they are the ones who suffered the most. So here we are going to the Shaveri market. Also, I'll show you how the market looks and वहाँ पे क्या क्या चीज़ें available हैं. In the end of this video, I'll also do a haul and मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि what all I got for my house and along with that I'll tell you the price so you'll have an idea of what you can expect from there. So I'm here at the Shaveri market right now and this is the shop where I'm buying some stuff from. तो मेरे पीछे ये cupboards हैं और कुछ side tables हैं. The market had a really beautiful and wide collection of bookshelves, bedside tables and cupboards. So as you can see, this was a pair of bedside tables with a drawer on top and a cupboard at the bottom. You can buy a set or you can buy a single piece. A set costed around 6 to 7,000, while a single piece was around 3,000 to 3,500. There were also side tables which also served as bookshelves like the ones that you see now. And there were also these three-paneled cupboards. What I loved the most was this amazing collection of coffee tables that was present in the market in almost every shop. So basically, you get a set of coffee table with 4 tiny stools, which is great for terrace parties and also to give a friendly and cozy vibe to your living room. And as I'm obsessed with storage spaces, I love the fact that these stools also double up as storage boxes. The coffee table set started from around 10,000 or 11,000 rupees. And you can also take the table alone and leave the stools. The table alone costed somewhere around 7,000. There was a wide array of temples available in both wood and marble. So this temple has been crafted very beautifully. It has this door which flip opens in the front. And then you have a little storage cabinet below. And then there's a little slider to keep the prasad or the agarbattis. And there are some more drawers. So this one was a mid-sized temple. There were also smaller temple options available and even bigger ones. So the next one is also in a similar pattern, which is a slightly bigger than the previous temple. It has a beautiful dome kind of a carving on the top. Similar to the previous temple, you have doors and then a slider and 2 more drawers. So this one just has 2 drawers, that had 3 drawers. So slight difference in the design. There were also these minimalistic sofa sets available, and then again a lot more bedside tables. This set costed around 5,500 rupees, and then there were some bookshelves. The basic smaller ones started around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees and ranged up to 11,000. So this one was around 7,000 rupees. These are not really fixed prices, and so different shopkeepers might tell you different rates. For this pair, he told us 5,500 to 6,000 rupees. There were also 3 set stool options available. Another piece that was almost omnipresent in every shop, and there was a wide collection of, was these cabinets that could be used for storing crockeries. Another thing that I absolutely loved was these wall corner shelves that could be used for keeping books or showpieces. This one was for 4,500 rupees. The market is flooded with beautiful bookshelves and cabinets. There were gorgeous, intricately designed back panels for beds that you can also get customized according to your needs and to match the woodwork of your bed. When you buy a piece of furniture, the sellers there will apply fresh polish to your furniture and also pack it very well in a cellophane so it's safe to carry and doesn't stain your car. There was a decent collection of center tables, both in 2 by 3, 4 by 3, and even bigger size options available. There were also some basic simple pieces starting from around 4,000. Center tables also had potpourri like decor in vibrant colors that gave quite a happy and colorful look to the neutral toned wood. That not only made the center table look very attractive but also eliminated the need to decorate it any further. These tables started from around 6 to 7,000 and ranged up to 14,000 or so, based on the type of table that you're purchasing. There were bookshelves, both standing bookshelves and hanging kind of bookshelves. The smaller one cost around 4,000 and the bigger one was around 7,000. I think there's always some room for negotiation, but then that depends upon the seller. There was a spectacular collection of a wide range of outdoor flower pots, vases, indoor small flower pots, and even hanging pots. The smallest one started from only about 60 rupees, like the ones that have the face carved on them, while the bigger ones were around 120, and the even bigger ones or the biggest ones were around 300 or so rupees. Pots were available in ceramic, plastic, china clay, and even glass pots for lucky bamboo plants. They were also selling these beautiful greens and flowering pots. I can never ever get enough of them. Just in front of this shop, which is on the main road, there was a street vendor selling these colorful stones that you place on top of your indoor plants to keep the soil in place. Just opposite the lane where we saw the wooden furniture, there was another lane where there were several sellers selling sofa sets. The starting price of these sets was around 15,000 rupees. The designs looked quite modern and very attractive. Having said that, I really don't have an experience of buying a sofa set from the Shaberi market, so I cannot comment on the quality. The sellers here also said that they would customize the sofa set according to the fabric of your choice, into the design of your choice, so that it can match the decor of your living room. So you can try a lot of permutation and combinations here. If you like the design of a certain sofa and the color of a different sofa and the fabric of a third sofa, then you can go ahead and customize and mix and match all of that and explain the seller what exactly you want, and he might be able to create something of your choice. There were several shops right on the main road selling these beautiful self standing swings. They were available in a lot of different colors, and you also get a cushion which is customized according to the size of the swing. This beautiful pink swing was around 16,000 rupees. It started from around 14,000, 14,500 rupees. There were shops selling bean bags, but mostly of Rexine material, which due to the poor quality doesn't really last long. So I'm now returning from the Shaberi market. It's around 6:30. But a lot of shops were open and we actually made some purchases. So probably once I go back home, I'll show you what all I shopped. Here is the promised haul section of the video. I got the center table for my living room. The best part about this table is that it has a storage area in the center, and on all four sides it has little compartments to store books, keep your iPad, or even just any other decoration piece. I got this table for around 6,500 rupees, which I think is a good price for this beautiful piece. Also, given my obsession for storage spaces, I got these gorgeous bedside tables. The pair costed us around 5,500 rupees, and they have instantly elevated the look of my bedroom. So that's it about the Shaveri Market haul. I hope you found this video informative and got some idea about what to expect from the market. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye.